Hello, everyone.
Morning, boss.
Yeah, morning, man. So hope you're well. This early morning,
Yeah,
man. There's something that I've learned. By the way, this week holding trades can't happen because when you
man,
hold trades, the price is coming back to the range. It's coming. It's not continuing or anything like this. GJ, I didn't close here. I just left it. It took me out at break even.
you cannot hold the trade.
Yeah, this week is different.
It is too different.
Mm.
Just
So I'm
today,
saying that,
today, today
yeah,
in the afternoon, I was on gold. Now,
yeah,
be around 340 there. The
mm-hmm,
the scanner gave a sale.
on gold,
Oh yes. Huh.
mm-hmm,
I entered the sale. It was a good entry because you could really see it is going down.
mm,
Oh my god. In about 10 minutes,
mm-hmm.
it had flipped it to a buy. Oof.
A huge candle.
Yes. Oh my god.
Mm,
It knocked me out because my SL was on around $30.
okay.
When I got that loss, I closed for the day. I said I'm done.
Yeah, yeah.
Because there is a lot going on.
Mm,
I was like, you
like
know
this
what?
one. Oh, I saw it happen on silver too.
Mm.
Even I could not. I said I cannot even be able to buy because there's a lot of liquidity here.
Yeah.
Mm, there's a lot of liquidity even happening here. So I said I cannot even buy or sell here. I just give it time because these geopolitical tensions, they're really killing.
It's killing a lot of people. Mm.
Because moves are not happening the way it should be. Um, let's see the news. What is there? Because yesterday it was Iran Navy on Wednesday. It seized two container ships in the Strait of Hormuz. Iran is doing massive. Comes after reports of the three cargo ships were attacked in the waterway. Trump announced Tuesday there's a ceasefire for 2 weeks. I know about this. This war. This week is happening like the last week of March, where market was just crazy. When you try to trade, things are going just haywire.
I know.
Mm. And you can see even Japan, South Korea stocks, they hit record highs as Iran says via extension. So stocks is like the Japan indices, I believe
Mm.
so. Those are the Japan equities. They hit high. Man. So these Iran things, they're just, they're just going bad. Like yesterday, I saw this. They seized two ships in the Strait of Hormuz, extending ceasefire. This was yesterday. I said I won't trade even commodity.
Exactly.
Mm. I won't trade because this will do markets. Markets will be ranging. It won't be going high. Like
Mm.
yesterday, I was holding Nasdaq here. I said, let me go to sleep. I put everything at break even. Man, waking up in the morning. Yeah. Sweep. Hey.
Hey.
Hmm. You know, I saw this trade. I was supposed to enter here. I had done this analysis yesterday afternoon.
Mm.
Yes, and my inspection was that when it break this and retest, I'll be entering. So once we come home, you forget. Huh? That was the right entry. But anyway, I got swept because now my entry was there, which was not that good because it was at the high. And this is the best entry.
Telling you, Trump came to destabilize everything.
Yeah,
Man.
he's just doing nonsense on this one. Like, example, last week I was in $1,000. So because of these hectic things, now I'm below $1,000. Mm. But anyway, it is well.
Yeah.
All this, you see these pairs, eh?
Mm.
Even GJ, it is on a demand zone.
Yes, yes.
Look at this. It is at the highs. It is just ranging. If you look at the daily, if you look at the past, even weekly, I think. Let me see. Oh yeah, the high is this one. It is a, see the price is at what time? The price is here.
Mm.
Here where this line is. So
Yeah.
this high needs to be broken
For a
because it
continuation.
might enter here and then now maybe sweep this and then come down or continuation. So it has been it has just been like that there too. Because it created a low and all that. So most markets are just not moving much. Maybe next week will be good. You see, what happens sometimes, like the week of March and other weeks which have been bad. And the week is bad, keep the risk low. And then
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
following week, my friend, you can make a lot of money. Like last week, the week was good.
Actually, that is it. You just have to make sure the risk is low.
Mhm. Yeah, like even right now, uh, let me remove all this. Oh, this is a high, this is a low. Let me remove all this. This didn't even go high. So like right now, also in CAD JPY, we're just on a range.
Yeah. And then now, for me, if it is to break up, I have to wait for it to break that second high. That
Second high.
I do not trust it anymore.
Eh,
Mm.
it's better break this. You better break this or break this low. I'm patient. I will be patient, even me. This market usually does this. It breaks the initial highs within the range, then
Yeah.
comes back. That's what they've been doing. Mm. So you find like you can see, you find coming towards here, coming to break. You think it's breaking,
Mm.
but it's coming back, and then when you find it on a 4 hour, it's a weak
Yeah.
rejection. Hmm. So you just have to give it patience and see what happens. So let's see if there's any opportunity. There's nothing here. AUD, USD. Let me remove these things. Now, if you're good at price, you should always, when this one I remove, you can see even this market, it has been doing this. Oh, let me show you. This is a breakout. So do you know it's supposed to do this? There was indication, now does the correction. So it's ranging now again. So it's better breaks out the swing low for a sell, the best way,
Yes.
or
Yes.
breaks the swing high. It's better that way because once we do anything within this area, you'll be trapped.
A trap.
Mm. So it's better this, yeah, or here. Just let me put this low here. Swing low broken. Yeah, that's better. It's better that way. Even here now, what we can say, let me remove this because yesterday, okay, market is so funny. Yeah? It went high, we took some partial, came, took us out because we knew a correction will come. All right.
Mm.
Then we took a buy here, came, took us out. Market is so great. But you see this, we have a lot of lows here being created. The high has not been swept yet.
And that is a very key point because there's one previous, there are two previous. Actually,
Mhm.
it touched there 3 times.
Here, you're saying
Mm.
here?
Yeah.
Mm, 3 times. As I can see, by the way, what is the problem? Okay. As I can see, there's something being created here.
Mm. So we wait to
We wait now.
break
Yes.
trend line, a
Yeah, we
retest,
wait now
and we see.
because, yeah, so we have seen that pattern. So it's like there is liquidity being created within this rising wedge.
Mm.
Mm. Let me remove this New York and all that. I don't depend on this AI. AI is just make it a confluence. Just understand price. That's the most important. We have liquidity zone here. So it is being created. So you can see now clearly, I can see now what's happening. Hmm?
Mm.
This would be nice. So we can say now we understand what GJ has been doing all through. When you don't see it on these time frames, you can't understand, right?
Mm.
So it will be wise, a breakout out of this area, then we wait for correction, then it comes down. Can you say that's what it has been doing because it has not broken to the higher side?
Hasn't.
Mm,
That could be the plan.
that's the plan. Mm, yeah, so I think that will be good. This is like an ideal setup.
And when it
Mm,
does that, it is going to come looking for this first low, the lowest point. Do not
yeah,
stop until it reaches there.
the lowest low.
Mm.
So we can say this is where we are. We can wait for this. This was London low of Wednesday. Yeah, because when you enter here, it might cap and sweep again. So it's better at least we wait. Even this high being broken, this is the top high. Mm. So let me share this to the group. Mm. Now let me put some music. I believe there's no setup which is ready for the Asian.
There's no setup at the moment.
Mm. So it swept today's Thursday Asian during. That's around the lot to be broken is around 214 and 39. Yeah, so by the way, do you like the analysis I share also on the prop group? Yeah, centric.
Pardon? Yes.
Yeah, the analysis that I share on the prop group, is it okay? It's good, eh? It helps people, eh?
Yeah, it does.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so it's going well. All right. So as we check on that and waiting for these laws to be broken, because you can't wait on around here. Because why can't you wait around here? Because of there's something, You see, this area there is discount zones, These are areas where market has becoming and creating lows, These discount zones. And these areas, they are not worth to sell because market can flip to the upside to go and maybe retests at the top, So it's not worth. And this kind of support, let me put it in the, yeah, so there's this market here. These are just a discount zone. I can put it maybe red. Yeah, so it's better at least to wait for highs and lows to be broken on that pair. Let me lock it. So do you have anything? Let's see on NASDAQ. It's nothing, man. It went to this high. It didn't even touch my, oh, I think it touched my TP. Let me see. My TP was it high or somewhere there? I had NASDAQ. It got me out at break even. Break even, $2. And it went about 20 USD. 40. Anyway, it's okay. I got out in a profitable way. There's no need, there's no area. Man, you know, Sandrick, by the way, I usually draw the setups that I want to take, but when I jump off and then New York opens, they go they go that way. So if now what I'll be doing if I want to trade indices, because they move, yes, after I see a setup, I'll just check mostly New York and see possibility because this one I was supposed to even to enter. This one I didn't enter, but I drew it. This one I entered late, but I got out of break even because of this sweep. So I bet market is coming just to correct, just a bit pullbacks and then maybe continuation. But if it breaks these lows, it would be nice. These are the lows that needs to be broken for market to sell. This one. The swing lows. And you have the swing highs. So market is just within the internal structure. Because all traders, they usually tell, you're usually told, just mark your zones, then put alerts. That's what you need. This is Nasdaq buys. And then we have this low, and we have so what you can say, by the way, because of Nasdaq, we have because it's bullish, so this is MSS, right? This is MSS. MSS means market structure shift. A market can come and shift itself now to the bearish area. So if you come here, let's say, maybe you break out during London, and then you retest, it will be nice to go and maybe sweep this low. Or it may do the opposite. It may come, sweep, then do a fake out, like the way market does, then continue bullish. Yeah, so it's all about you look at 1 hour or 15 minutes the way market is doing. Yeah, so yeah, you just keep your phone up. Then you have this low. Yeah, so when you mark, it doesn't mean you stay for some time here. Yeah, so I think that's enough because there's no pair that is moving. There's nothing. There's nothing to do. iPhone, who is this iPhone? Hello?
Hello?
How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, who is this? Who are we talking
Sorry,
to?
I didn't change my name. This is Esther. Essie.
Oh, Essie.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Well, every time be changing your phone, eh? Or,
Okay.
yeah, it is better. Yeah, so I've changed it for you. So, you have learned something today?
Yes, I have.
All right. So in the market, it is always good to be patient. Just be patient until market comes to you. So let me remove this. You can see what market has been doing also here. Let me show you something. Same as AUD, JPY. Can you see? You can see what's happening, eh? It's building what? This building, this doing accumulation. The price is doing accumulation. Let me just write it here. Accumulation is where market, you're not supposed even to be there. Yeah, so accumulation always is when price creates high highs and lows. Is like a bullish wedge, eh? A bullish wedge supported by whereby it's not even breaking the highs. So most probably you'll find now the market doing this 1 hour. I think breaking here, it would be nice. And then this not break of structure. Break of structure is when the market is on the same run, like the way it's bullish. This is the market structure. So, but it's opposite. This is market structure shift, because you need at least for it to shift to the downside. Yeah, so this will be a low broken on this support. why I've put it there. Always mark your chart. Marking your chart is the best way possible. Yeah, you can see this kind of this support on this. Yeah, what have you said?
And I didn't say anything.
Oh, yeah. So this support and resistance. So once it breaks it will be nice, and this when it breaks this high it will be better. So today London possibility might come. So Essie, are you in Nairobi?
Yes, I am.
So when will you be joining us during the physical meet, the Tuesday to Thursday?
I was there on Saturday, so maybe I'll come next Saturday.
Oh, good. And good news, by the way, for people in Nairobi, we are finding a new venue for town and mostly yet to confirm. And a video will be shared. Yeah, we might be beginning next week.
Okay.
You know, town is a central place, uptown.
Uptown, yes.
Yeah, so it will be strict 2 hours. You come on time, you leave on time. Yeah, good place where it's inclusive and included. Yeah. So AC, by the way, when are you planning to send your goodies?
I'm not sure.
You have time to.
I
You
told
have
you
time.
yesterday I have a lot this weekend, this end month,
Oh, you told
shifting and
me.
all. Yes.
Yeah.
So after I finish that.
Okay, finish that because it's important and it eats a lot of money. Yeah.
Yeah. I wanted you to look at silver. Can you
Yeah.
spare a few minutes for silver? Did you see the
Okay.
messages I sent you?
Let me see. Yeah, I've seen. I was even to look into this.
How can
Yeah.
spread be that big?
I'm telling you, never enter before 4 p.m. The spreads are crazy. Spreads are crazy on this pro firm, even other pro firms. The
Those are
spread is
so
like
many
almost
pips.
80 basis points.
Sorry?
The spreads are 80 basis points. When you look at, never enter 330. After the daylight savings, 4 to 5, the market comes back well. So when you see the spreads and when you're using the prop, is about 80 basis points. So when you enter like 0.1, you'll be negative 80. No, 0.01. You'll
I
be
entered
negative
and I was
$80 or
minus
something.
64.
Minus 64, yeah. It's crazy. But when you go to the broker, it will be minus $6. Like the same sum that time. So props are eating a lot from spreads.
I may have told them this doesn't make sense.
But I'll talk to our agent.
Yeah.
I hope you are taking a screenshot because I saw and I
I
usually
have
do.
taken. Can
Send
you
me
imagine from 77 to 78?
77, 78 is very high.
It's very high.
So that is when you try to, let's say you're holding your positions and it opens that way, it takes you out. And you have your positions, maybe you're swinging and all that. Yeah. So give me the screenshot so that I can report also to our agents. The spread is high, very high.
Okay.
Yeah. For me, I'm just leaving it because I want these piece stocks to be done with. Because right now it has done. This is a liquidity here. There's a liquidity here which was it was tapped at the premium zone, okay? And there's liquidity here, but it does not been swept. So the market is bearish. So if you have let's say you want to enter silver, you time these lows. This is where you take your positions like crazy. If you enter here, this sell, because it came at what time? 3. It's not good. When you enter 3, you'll be blown by spreads like crazy. This is 345. The spread is from here all the way to here. And yeah, from here all the way to... So your spread in the morning was around there, 67. So when you put your stop loss there, it's like you're risking $76 or 82, 0.01. So the best way is just wait for the market to turn, because here is the one with here is the current market for where it has retested is the 4 a.m. That was the best entry for sales. But if you want to enter better entries, you wait for this low to be broken. You see, this is the current low here. And then you aim for you'll be taking partials here. Yeah, this is the current lower low. This is the lower low of the whatever. Yeah, and then we have this. So this we can call it now yeah, this is a break of structure. Yeah, so when this market breaks this low and retest, it will be nice. So you'll be timing these areas. Just look on the left, you'll see these areas. You see these areas of demand. These are previous. Okay, these are previous layers. So this, I see, by the way, this can be good for this week, because you're looking at sales.
Mhm.
So I think you can put it there. It's coming down, huh? So just be certain because of either a sweep or a fake out or a continuation, because this sell is good. Yeah, so if you are in, let's say, if a person got in around here without retest at 4, and then putting a stop loss above the highs, here won't be a good target because this is 1:1.26. So this is the best ideal market. This is 1:2. But now, you're not in, eh?
I got out.
You got out.
Mm.
Yeah. You have to be certain. So let's be patient. We see what market does for us. So we close the session that there. We are late about 5 minutes. I need to get back to sleep, then get back to workout. So Essie, when you come on Saturday during the meet and greet, come with friends, eh?
Okay.
Yes, Suncentric, the time we come to Kenya, we meet.
I'm coming to Kenya to settle and get married.
Yes, Kenya is the best place.
Yeah,
And you'll find very beautiful people.
I know.
Yes, like Essie and the rest of people here. Yes, you have good things. So you have to be careful because we have also in ladies we have fake outs and real ones.
Yeah,
Mm.
sure.